of us gives up, I give up.
It's not how it works.
You win.
Not how it works. We got to go 3 rounds at least.
3 rounds at least? What are there rules? This is crazy. Fine.
What if we can compromise here?
Compromise on what? I said I would pay you. I'll just pay you. That is the compromise.
Yeah, but I don't want your money. How about this? Just let me come down to your car. You can join me, and let me put a bat through your windshield.
What are you serious?
Just
are
one.
You no.
Just one swing.
Out of all the cars in the building, I got to get the craziest nut job that works here.
I think the biggest nut job in your building is probably your coworker Phil. He seems like.
What about Phil? What